Hey there, what's up? So this is an introductory video on the new videos that I'm going to be publishing for this channel. So this channel used to be called Backstage Forex, and the owner one day reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to buy it. So the channel had about 30,000 subscribers at the time, and I got it for a good price, so I bought the channel. I used to do a lot of Forex trading. However, I don't trade Forex for the moment anymore. I'm mainly focused on trading stocks and the NASDAQ and crypto at the moment. I'm not doing Forex at the moment. And also, for the past few months, I haven't been manual trading. The way that I trade is because I created an automated trading system which automatically trades for me every single day. It takes the trades based off of the strategy that I created, and it sends the trades to my broker automatically and executes the trades for me. Today is October 2nd, and my account was $4,000 in profit, so I decided to withdraw half of that profit. I withdrew $2,000, and the cool thing about it is that it's automated trading. I didn't have to invest my time every day trying to trade the markets to make this money. It's just extra money that the automated trading system made for me, and I withdrew part of that today, and I left the rest in the account so that it can continue accumulating, so that over time the account can also grow and I can place trades with bigger position sizes so that the trades can make more money. So that's how I'm going to be trading my trading account, my automated trading account. At the end of every month, I look at the profits, and whatever profits I have, I withdraw half of it, and I let the other half of the profits stay in the account so that the account can continue growing over time. If you are interested in finding out more about my trading system, I will have a link down below. And the reason I created this company, so it's called The One Trading, is because I want to help others that are not consistently profitable in trading. I want to help them have an edge to where they also don't have to be looking at the charts all day. They can go take care of their business, or if they have a job, they can go to work, and my automated trading system will trade in the background for them and hopefully make them profits every single month. Okay? The reason I trust my automated trading system is because it's been profitable for since about 2019. So since it's been profitable for so many years, I have put my trust into my own trading system that I created. I gave it my own money to trade for me, and I've been using it now for about 4 months. I started it in the beginning of June is when I first set up and started my trading system, and I started it with just a little bit of capital, and over time I've added more capital onto it. And now it's starting to show fruits. That's why this last month it made me a $4,000 in profit, like I said. Alright, so this is just a quick video to let you guys know what this channel is going to be about from now on. It's going to be about automated trading. So the goal of The One Trading is to provide automated trading services for the public that want an extra income every month. And those that are not profitable trading and want to start being profitable and not have to stare at charts all day. So our goal is to hopefully help as many people as possible to make passive income every single month through our automated trading system. The funds are never in our control. The funds are always in your account. All we do is we get access to connect our automated trading system to your account to send trades to be executed on your account. And if you're interested in learning more, like I said, there's going to be links down below in the description. We can set up a one-on-one call so that we can go further into detail and explain to you how everything works. So like I said, this is an introductory video to what the channel is going to be about from now on. So stay tuned for future videos. So until then, hope you stay blessed. And remember, automate to dominate. Peace.